headlines. Protest against citizenship bill rolls on. Lawyers join protest. Ninth National Voters' Day observed at City Convention Centre. And first Guwahati International Documentary Short and Animation Film Festival concludes. Manipuri short film Napal bags Golden Rhino Award. Hello, you're watching Times of Manipur English News. Now the news in detail. Manipur Bar Association and High Court Bar Association staged a silent sit-in protest at the Chairab Court complex this morning, condemning against the Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016, where many advocates and several members of the association took part. The 9th National Voters' Day has been celebrated across the country today to enhance the participation of citizens in the electoral process. In Manipur, the 9th National Voters' Day is observed at City Convention today. Speaking at the occasion, Chief Secretary Dr. J. Suresh Babu has urged every voter to exercise their franchise without any hesitation.
Right there.
And I am not saying that people are taking from one party. Most of the voters take from different parties also, different candidates also. And they will vote for the candidate of their choice. Okay, you have exercised your vote in a very democratic way. You have collected money from 3-4 candidates but voted to one candidate. But ultimately what is going to happen? You lost your moral authority.
The first Guwahati International Documentary Short and Animation Film Festival 2019, organized by Jyoti Chitraban, came to an end on Thursday at Srimanta Sankardeva Kalakshetra, Guwahati. Here's a report.
The first Guwahati International Documentary Short and Animation Film Festival 2019 organized by Jyoti Chitraban at Srimanta Sankardeva Kalakshetra. In these 3 days, 105 short films and documentaries of 25 countries will be screened.
The event is a 3-day affair from January 22 to 24, 2019. The festival was organized by the Assam government owned by Jyoti Chitraban Film Studio Society in association with Dr. Bhupen Hazarika, Regional Government Film and Television Institute. In these 3 days, 105 short films and documentaries of 25 countries were screened.
Children's film, it's an Assamese film, and it won the National Award for Best Assamese Film this year. It was produced by Children's Film Society India. Of course, there is a Manipur connection in the film because one of the major roles is played by Tanthoy Devi, who is a very popular and very good actress from Manipur. So I had the pleasure of working with her, and she is a fantastic artist, as we all know. And everybody has appreciated her performance wherever the film has been screened. And here in Documentary Film Festival, another film of mine has been shown. It's called Memories of a Forgotten War. This basically chronicles the memories of the battles that had happened in Manipur and Nagaland during Second World War. So I had done a lot of shooting in Manipur also for this film, and in Nagaland, also in Mizoram, in UK and Japan, where I met a lot of veterans who had fought in Manipur as well as in Nagaland. So of course that way both my films in the two festivals have had Manipur connection some way or the other.
Various eminent filmmakers and director of documentary film, namely Christopher Upham, Tracy Loth, Hawam Pavan Kumar, Gautam Bora, Oinam Doren, Meena Longjam, Joshi Joshepwar, Sonia Nepram, Supriya Sen, Borun Thokchom, Utpal Borpujai, Bobo Khuraijam, producer Gurumayum Ranita, Monjul Borua, Napoleon R.J. Thanga were present during the festival.
This is a great initiative by Jyoti Chitraban Film Institute and the Assam government, and in comparison to what the state government is doing in Manipur, this is quite shameless, because they have been holding festivals in a series starting from the Guwahati International Film Festival to Children Film Festival to this short and documentary film festival, and even they have to encourage new young filmmakers. They have competition section, which is with cash award, which is great moral booster for the upcoming filmmakers.
Masi ai sengna hajo haragati ai mangne sigumba gi level la koi festival akoi Manipur su yamna dakar oi. In fact, we are lagging behind. Adui matang da koi se yamna khar sotharaga leiri filmmakers sing puthoge haiboidi maruina documentary si amna koi gi sumna namnari ba koi gi fiction stories na tabis da documentary sina khara educational ba aduga makoida ahoida thoiba social realities mayam si pazana mami tahan aduga madu de yor ba stories mayam se masi puthokna miyam da liba yehon bai si documentary nam chaw thodang lorin adu madu mai festival si ahoi imphal le amthin dakar oira adu maruina festival mung tong matam da maruina satra kun mahiroi kunai da koi school amjung college makoida festival na chaw impact on pi makoida ahoi wakhal gi ahoi thong thonau se hangdo hol lai tar aduna imphal da sigumba ma festival ma sin bai si ai mangni ai kan kanda ai thenna sin mangam hoi we need a team hoi team ma dakar oi the sin bai si ai sin gani habge ai achet pathajai sajai lai
First Guwahati International Documentary Short and Animation Film Festival, which is happening from 22nd January till 24th, and I'm also very happy that my film Auto Driver is part of this film festival. But what concerning is, like, for the past many years in Manipur, we are not able to hold any kind of festival of national or international repute as of now. And also Manipur had been finding difficulties and problem in erecting this our very own this first Manipur State Film and Television Institute for the past 3 years. So it's like a request and appeal to the people and concerned government of Manipur that, like, we have so many talented filmmakers from Manipur, so why don't we have a fully functional MSFTI functioning soon, and why we also don't have such kind of festival in Manipur. So that's my humble request.
In the United States, it's a long developed, sophisticated history that's been around for a long time, and it's a very advanced media culture. And there's a lot of documentary schools. There are a lot of people interested. Millions and millions of people watch documentaries. As I was saying in this a little bit before, 60% of the filmmakers that I know are women, to make one distinction. And documentary is a way to tell your story if you have a story that's not yet been told.
What will be message to the young generation?
I think what matters is that they should learn to tell a visual story. It's the hardest thing to do, and it's the most effective. And then they need to master internet marketing. You need to understand Twitter, you have to understand how to do post-production, you have to understand the internet and Facebook, any way you can to build a documentary community, and then distribute your films and publicize your films.
Minister of State for Finance and Health, Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma as the Chief Guests, and Cultural Affairs Minister Nabakumar Doli as Guest of Honor attended during the closing ceremony of the function. Minister of State for Finance and Health, Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma as Chief Guest, and Cultural Affairs Minister Nabakumar Doli as Guest of Honor attended the closing ceremony of the festival. Golden Rhino for Best Film Short was given to a Manipuri film, Napal, directed by Borum Thokchom and R.K. Imo. The award includes a trophy, memento, and a cash prize of 1 lakh rupees. On closing ceremony, a Manipuri film, Ima Sabitri, directed by Bobo Khuraijam and produced by Gurumayum Ranita, was screened.
Cinema is a very powerful medium and it will help the people to understand life through border, national and horizon. Times of Manipur, camera person Utpal Baru with journalist Hamanta Morangtem, Guwahati.
The Directorate of Information and Public Relations Department, which is considered one of the most important departments for the welfare of the society, has not been able to release its official diary of the year. We'll take a short break. Stay tuned.
Lamdam asigi lawmi singmi singi ahangba lamsingda thabi hauro Mahindra company amadi Holland country gi Heiss ZPC company ga punna tissue culture tawraga puthokchaba asengba alu char iramdam asigi leibak lehawa yamna chunaraba alu angangba Lady Rosetta amadi alu angogba karfi jyoti makhalani mak pambiragani supnatagi alu piece amana alu kg ama hena puthokpa ngamba alu makhalni iramdam asibu sabu ongnaba alu puthoklasi asengba alu char tharsi Saranaba alu Undo Kagna Maton Toklaga Semba alu Chara Targum Si Haiba Kolau Amagaloina Sahi Ahum Sugna Satharakpa Mission Amagi Makada Pujarakpa alu Chara Singni Mipal Tandana Iramdam Asida Alugi Awapa Lehelagumsi Lengsing Birau Nasimak Mahindra Tractor Showroom Malong Bazar Lintoy House Kaksing Bazar Adongi Ahanga Pahum Singda Alu Thabiduna Iramdam Asida Alugi Awapa Lehelagumsi
Nang tamibi school IPS I do the chikli fay hai kam doge ne.
My school is quality based English school. It has very competent teachers. They are highly qualified. The principal of my school is a strict disciplinarian. He teaches his students in higher classes.
Hey ma, aisa di IPS के boarding के ले रुपए की English के कमांड से फजने ले रहे, lyrics से हम है personality talent से फजने ले रहे ना.
To speak English is compulsory at a school and boarding. I have the habit of speaking English all the time.
Adom ki angang singbo Kanchipur da leba IPS haibada Imphal Public Higher Secondary School da Ming Chanbiyo loinan afaba bahiroi payanbiyo.
IPS, the Imphal Public Higher Secondary School, Kanchipur, Imphal, near Manipur University First Gate. Admission opens from pre-nursery to class 9, both school and boarding. IPS, top choice for your child's career.
Mahindra Tractor Showroom now monsoon season lakada monsoon offer pijiri India da Saba Annapurna domestic mini rice mill amadi grinder akaknaba matam kharagi oina company na offer price ta miyamda phanganjari ho sangbay matakpada electric prepaid ta supnataki lupa ni makhai mai chai besan morok yangang marumara hawai makhal sul takpa yarba grinder su phangbiragani rice mill da phau pudra seng takpagi awab leitraba yumgi sangoi kasin amada hillaga isana adum phau takchaba yaraba cheng wai manghandraba cheng khainadraba Annapurna domestic rice mill ni akupa marol gidamak link sinbirau Mahindra Tractor Showroom Malom Bazar pijariba offer price ki khudong saba simyamna lawbi ho akaknaba matam khara khaktan
nana nupa du mayamna yapote lobu sakharba latro
chakrima
aduidi cha injang du loisanaba tawrodana
bishondu bu totpo lorabadi injang gi thawroga lorabane adu ima dukan dagi bishondu go machanduga leibirogera
hoi hoi ima lawbirurake bungo besolamaga masalamaga dapi
ne Kangipag spices industry ki production lobiron iramdong ki posu ere potyan jurau trek chang soktre aduine KSI na hogi base try panji da puthoi ba production yawajan ginger powder chili powder turmeric powder cinnamon powder mithi jira powder amadi hairi bo loinana sa masal amadi machal lapowa mayam manadaba packaging system so oraba Manipur da yanan boina spices industry da ISO 9001 2008 amadi ISO 9001 2015 phangada natana trademark su registration tawraba KSI ki product am seasinabiu
sina khwai de hena pharena boni na pire inni
ima KSI ki product sidi yam phabani.
Welcome back. The Civil Secretariat office at Chingmairong is all set to be completed by March end. Around 200 laborers have been working day and night to finish the construction on time. Various civil society organizations have appealed to the indigenous people of the state to come out in the streets to boycott the Republic Day celebrations and protest against the Citizenship Amendment Bill tomorrow. President of United Committee Manipur UCM, Sunil Karam, has appealed to the people of Manipur to come out in the streets tomorrow to protest against the CA bill as a mark of boycotting the Republic Day celebrations in the state. He said this during a press meet held at the UCM office today. He also said that not only indigenous people of Manipur but also the entire people of Northeast state has strongly condemned the recent passage of CA bill on January 8 by the Indian government, against the wish of every individual living in the region. The Indian government passed the bill against the principle of and wishes of the people living in Northeast states of India. He further urged the public to join hands in UCM's initiative to stage a protest rally to be held on 28th of this month, where other various organizations like Amuko, CCSK, Haricon will also take part.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯀꯟꯕ ꯐꯣꯔꯁ ꯑꯃꯈꯛ ꯇꯧꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯁꯨꯁꯤ ꯄꯨꯈꯠꯂꯒ ꯏꯁꯨ ꯅꯩꯅꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯇꯦꯁ ꯇꯧꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯥꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯇꯥꯡ 29 ꯊꯥ 1 2019 ꯁꯉꯥꯏ ꯍꯣꯜ ꯏꯝꯐꯥꯜ ꯍꯣꯇꯦꯜꯗ ꯑꯃꯨꯀꯣ CCSK ꯍꯦꯔꯤꯀꯣꯟ ꯂꯤꯄꯨꯟ UCMꯅ ꯏꯅꯤꯁꯤꯌꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯇꯥꯡ 29 ꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯔꯤꯕ ꯂꯨꯞ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯀꯤ ꯁꯦꯁꯣ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯄꯨꯟꯖꯜꯂꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯀꯃꯤꯇꯤ ꯑꯣꯔ ꯐꯣꯔꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯨꯞ ꯑꯃ ꯁꯦꯝꯃꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯀꯟꯕ ꯈꯣꯡꯖꯪ ꯆꯪꯁꯟꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯁꯦꯝ ꯁꯥꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯅꯤ. ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯩꯀꯥꯏ ꯂꯩꯀꯥꯏꯗ ꯂꯩꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯇꯉꯥꯏꯐꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯌꯦꯡꯒꯤ ꯔꯤꯄꯕ꯭ꯂꯤꯛ ꯗꯦꯁꯤ ꯕꯣꯏꯀꯣꯠ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯁ꯭ꯂꯣꯒꯥꯟ ꯑꯅꯤꯈꯛꯇꯪ ꯑꯩꯈꯣই ꯃꯄꯨꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯝꯖꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ. ꯃꯔꯝꯗꯤ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕꯗ withdraw Citizen Amendment Bill 2016 ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯃ, ꯑꯅꯤꯁꯨꯕꯗ we condemn India's Republic Day celebration in Manipur and Northeast ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯅꯤꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯂꯣꯒꯥꯟꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯌꯦꯡꯁꯤ ꯂꯝꯕꯤꯗ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯇꯅ ꯂꯩꯀꯥꯏ ꯂꯩꯀꯥꯏꯗ ꯉꯝꯖꯕꯗ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯇꯦꯁ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯐꯝꯁꯤꯃ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯄꯤꯜ.
In support of the President of UCM, Sunil Karam, President of Amuko PH Devan has said that the state is apparently demanding a bill to preserve its indigenous population and urged each and everyone to protest against the CA bill. Members of various organizations like Haricon, CCSK and Lipun also attended the press meet.
Miam Pumna Mana Mato and Leminasi, Manipur Kananaba, Manipur Gitungi, Future Kananaba, Manipur Miam Kananaba, Manipur Kananaba Gidamaktai, High River Bill share, Masidi Manipur, Chanabi Yaro have Pumna Maki, Itodang Womenasi have.
Despite efforts by the state government to uproot drug abuse, it has been increasing day by day. Acting on a tip-off, the Customs Division Imphal has arrested one person and seized WY tablets worth 5 crore rupees near Chingmairong MBC Church yesterday. The person has been identified as Lalming Thanga, 42, son of Lalpiang Liam from Churachandpur. Now to sports news. AMCAT FC takes on AMCA FC and won by 2 goals in the ongoing 5th Avimpa Cup Football Tournament 2019 during the last quarter-final match held at Nesu Ground near Porompat Tower today. It's time for a break. Stay tuned.
Princeton International School. Admission open for pre-nursery to class 8 for academic season 2019. Selling features. Princeton International School is located in a serene and noise-free environment. Smart classrooms, a relentless focus on teaching and learning. Teachers and students strive for excellence in academic and extracurricular activities. Separate hostel for boys and girls. remedial classes for weak students, regularly monitoring teachers' performance by the principal and high authority for imparting quality education, computer lab, science lab and library, well-maintained football ground, swimming pool, basketball court, gym and indoor court for badminton, table tennis, etc. Self-defense classes like taekwondo and wushu, and also available classes for Arabic and Meitei Mayek. Session starts from 28 January for class 6 to 10 and 7 February for pre-nursery. Last date of admission 26 January for class 6 to 7 and 4th February for pre-nursery. To know more, please contact Princeton International School, Ketri Awang Leka, Imphal East. Contact number 9436586723.
Kanglei Park Modern School. Admission started for 2019 session. Free admission with 100% concession and tuition fee and 1 month free boarding for the third and following children of the same parent. Inspirational awards and prizes for meritorious students. Facilities available. Special concession for students from BPL families and fatherless children. Free medical checkup at least once a year. Separate boarding for boys and girls. Session starts from 21st January. For more information, please contact 8974-834-231.
Matalgi Sasinaba Products Singdagi Jackson Biu. Kanglei Park Spices Industry na puthokpa Majalgi atopa manaba manufacturing unit amatalajade. KSI na puthokpa Majalgi asengba products sing asibu khangnabagidama packaging da KSI logo Kanglei Park Spices Industry yaubara haina check tobiu. Amasung packaging da ISO 9001-2008 or ISO 9001 or 2015 asi yaubara haina check tobiu. Lalamung Makong Takhilamam Lekai Rims Road Factory Thangweban Sinam Lekai haina thari basin taba atopa amata Majalgi asengba product natte sasinaba amasung malhanba singdagi Jackson Biu hena kupamarol khangnaba lengsinbirau Majal Kanglei Park Spices Industry Lalamung Makong Takhilamam Lekai Rims Road Factory Thangweban Sinam Lekai near Lamfelam Park natraga logon tobiu www.majalspices.com or Facebook/majalspices natraga email tobirau info@majalspices.com.
Welcome back. Tension ran high along Nagaland-Assam border area of Lirman village Thursday after labor camps, tools and materials were destroyed, purportedly meant for the construction of an Assam police outpost under Lirman jurisdiction. In a press note, Lirman Senso Mundang President I. Motemjen and Secretary Imna Tongzuk informed that an emergency meeting of the Senso was held on January 21st. Wherein the village resolved to thwart any construction along the border area of the village jurisdiction. ISM said that the village council members along with EAC Longsham and a platoon of IRB personnel rushed to the site to take stock of the situation. It was also informed that Assam police had sent additional force to the border. Congress can turn the tide in its favor in the Lok Sabha election if Rahul Gandhi can convince Mamata Banerjee, Mayawati and Akhilesh Yadav to join hands with him and fight collectively against the BJP. This is the finding of the India Today Karvi Insights Mood of the National Poll. According to the India Today Karvi Insights Mood of the National Poll, the NDA would be nowhere close to the magic figure of 272 that a political party or alliance needs to form the government. According to the Mood of the Nation poll, the NDA would win 237 seats, a massive drop of 99 seats compared to the coalition's 2014 tally. The staggering nature of NDA's loss can be understood from the fact that the Bharatiya Janata Party crossed the figure of 272 on its own in 2014. A keen athlete who holds positions at several sporting bodies was elected as Malaysia's new king yesterday. The Sultan of Pahang 59 will be the country's 16th constitutional monarch, replacing the Kelantan ruler who made a surprise decision to abdicate on January 6 after just 2 years on the throne. A special meeting of the Conference of Rulers yesterday picked Sultan Abdullah Ri Atayun to reign for the 5 years. Under Malaysia's unique rotation system involving the 9 Malay royal families. The meeting involved 8 of the 9 Malay rulers, including Sultan Abdullah himself. The Kelantan ruler Sultan Muhammad V did not attend the meeting at the National Palace. Now let's have a look at some of the top newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. Anti-CAB protest reaches BJP chief's house. 5 hurt. High Court extends suspension of letters issued against Lieutenant Colonel Dharambir. Chief Minister oversees startup interview. Civil Secretariat likely to be completed by March. The People's Chronicle. Police foil bids to storm BJP MP's house. 5 hurt. We stand with the wishes of public. MP Bhabananda. Rajnath accused of misleading Lok Sabha. Crooks have higher chances of winning poll, says MU professor. Chief Minister scans startup applicants. Notice to have exclusive regional data center. Kangleipak Students Association for deletion of non-natives from Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribe Act. Tribunal reformed to adjudicate ban. Imphal Free Press. Special investigation team report on the killing of Manipuri youths incomplete, says High Court. High Court observes disposal of whistleblower Dharambir's petition only solution. CAB will eliminate indigenous people of Manipur, says Nando Luang. The Morning Bell. CAB protesters storm residents of Bhabananda. 4,000 apply for second round of Startup Manipur. Interview begins. NSF, JSU, AASU to boycott Republic Day celebration. Assam Rifle provides water storage facility to Jopi. Notice reason to have exclusive data center.
Now before we wrap up the top stories once again. Protest against citizenship bill rolls on. Lawyers join protest. Ninth National Voters Day observed at City Convention Centre. And first Guwahati International Documentary Short and Animation Film Festival concludes. Manipuri short film Napul bags Golden Rhino Award. This is all for today. Keep watching Times of Manipur.